Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about the follow-up of iOS 17.1 Beta 3. I did the live install on my channel a couple days ago, and now I'm going to talk about the follow-up, battery life, all that kind of stuff here, how my experience has been. I have not really had any issues, bugs, nothing really like that. The overheating issue is definitely solved. I have not had that issue whatsoever on any app. No screen dimming, no battery pause, charging wise, nothing like that. Before anybody asks, the wallpaper is from Backdrops. So if you guys go over to the Backdrops app right there, the wallpaper is in there. That's where I get all my wallpapers from. So if anybody is curious, it's either an on-device wallpaper or it is from the Backdrops app. So that is the one I'm currently using right now. So iOS 17.1 Beta 3, no issues thus far. Battery life has been excellent. Been unplugged since about 10 a.m. this morning. It's 2:30 in the afternoon and we're at 79%. So battery life does seem to be a little bit better now on Beta 3 than on previous versions, especially once that fix for the overheating stuff was implemented. I think that definitely helped out the performance and stuff like that a little bit once those apps and iOS itself got updated. So very, very good there. 17.1 looking like it's going to be a good update. Obviously, if you're not on the betas and you already have 17.0.3, then you already have the battery fix and the overheating fix and all that kind of stuff. So that's not something you're going to be getting in 17.1. So you already have that, if that is the case. The AirPods did get an update. The AirPods second generation, or Pro second generation rather, USB-C and Lightning are now on a new version, and that new version is let's see, go ahead and connect here and scroll down. 6A303 is the new version for the AirPods Pro second generation, again for USB-C and Lightning AirPods. And this is some bug fixes to do with the adaptive audio and noise cancellation, so that is improved in this update. So if you have AirPods Pro second generation, whether they are the new USB-C ones or the Lightning ones that have been out for a while, go ahead and make sure your AirPods are updated. If they have not updated, just take them out, put them back in the case, and then close the case and leave them next to your phone for about 15 minutes, and they should update. Make sure they're plugged in or your battery is charged at above 50%, and usually they should auto update there. But other than that, there's really no way to force an update. And then just go to your AirPods and check the version to make sure you're on 6A303. That is the current latest one for the AirPods Pro second generation. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.